Got a few more of these picked for freezing. I've got the cobs drying out for next year's seeds. So when you're clearing your grow bags, again, just cut the tomato plants down to the roots. There's no need to drag them out. Then you can repurpose the soil either into your compost heap, or for me, I'm preparing no dig raised beds for next year, so I'm going to use this on the bottom to bulk them out a bit. Chuck all that in there. All the roots and everything will rot down. And I'll leave a bit of compost on the top. Just to take a lot of compost to fill these beds, so it makes it a wee bit cheaper. And everything there, well, you're going to leave that. Do no harm whatsoever. Plenty of plant matter, and as I say, I'll put some decent compost on the top. So there's spent compost, I think there's some sprouting broccoli at the bottom, twigs, so that'll do fine once it's all rotted in. So anyway, I'll leave that there. And I'll again in the next one. I'll be wanging up shortly about my head, so I got a new roof on it, and I'm going to be clearing it out, moving some things for the polytunnel into the shed, all ready for next year in the coming winter.